Hi friends, how are you? So tonight I am coming on here to show some happy mail that I received. Tina Muhammad, and I know that she makes products for sale, and I'm not sure if she sells through Facebook, Etsy, I don't know, but I will go ahead and link you to her products page in the description area right underneath this video. Look how pretty and purple this is. Let's see what she... Oh my gosh, look at this. Here, let me get rid of that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is awesome. Thank you. I love it. Oh my goodness. And I believe that this is the type of product that she makes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And, oh, this is a care instructions for it. Oh my gosh, my whole God, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And it's in the colors that I just love. Oh my gosh, I love these colors. Oh, how awesome. Look. Oh, I got to get my nails redone. See, these are the colors that I love. I lost this one and I lost this one and they're just looking blah. But look at this. Oh, wow. Okay, and let's see over here what she here. So y'all can see her work. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's see what Tina says here. Excuse me. It says, congratulations. This is her channel. Tina Loves to Craft. Oh. She says, hi, Sandy. Want you to know that you inspire me every day because you give all the time to so many crafters. It's my time to give to you. Oh, honey. So happy crafting day. Here's something small to thank you for being you. Keep being you. Oh, honey. Thank you so much. You're going to make me cry. You'll be like, there goes Sandy crying again. Oh, my voice is terrible. I was telling my husband I want my voice back. Oh, my gosh. Oh, I love it. I can't help it. I love it. I love making these pens. I forgot how they turn like this. Look at that. Excuse me. I have a horrible handwriting. But look at it. It's so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and... let's see. I guess I'm going to have to rip it from here. I hope you don't mind. But look how pretty she packaged it. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, you know what? How about right here? See, I get all excited. Like, oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. See, this is what she does, and this is what she sells. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And I know it takes time to do something like this. I'm like, oh my gosh. Look at that. I think that's a fishtail. with some fluffy stuff. And some flowers and believe. Oh my gosh, Tina. Oh my goodness, Tina. Thank you so much. I'm like a notebook addict. Yeah, if anybody ever wants to give me anything, this is so smart. I am a notebook addict. You should see how many traveler's notebooks I have. And I use them all too. Even if it means to jot down my medications. Oh my gosh. And right here is a brand handmade by Tina Loves to Craft. And look, there's a nice picture of her. That's the picture that you see in her YouTube. This is Tina Mohammed. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, girl. Oh my gosh, this means the world to me, seriously. Everything is so beautiful. Thank you. And go ahead and check out Tina's links in the description area right after the video. Please support small business, support Tina's shop. Go ahead and place tons of orders, okay? Thank you so very much for watching. Bye.